guys, welcome back to the Brewer Family YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. This is what the slime will look like after you have finished. You can add color if you want to, but you don't have to. So, let's get started. The ingredients you will need are Elmer's school glue, any kind of shaving foam, any kind of baking soda, any kind of contact lens solution. You will need a teaspoon mixing tool or a half teaspoon. And then you will need a mixing tool and a bowl. And this is a very cheap bowl. It's a Halloween-y bowl. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so put my mixing tool down. I'm gonna open up the glue. I'm not gonna put too much. Okay, that's probably good. Okay, I'm gonna put the top back on so it does not dry out. And then you're gonna take your shaving foam. Here's a little tip for the shaving foam. You can add as much as you want, but if you do add too much, it'll feel very sticky and shaving creamy, and you have it all over your hands. So I'll show you how much I put in there. I put about like that. And this will make your slime bigger, so that's why I don't put as much glue. So you're gonna stir this until it looks like you've mixed it enough, like this. And now you're going to add some baking soda to make it not so sticky. And I kind of like my slime sticky, so I'm going to add that's a little too much. I'm going to add about that much to mine, so it's not too sticky. And you can add more if you add too less, but you can't take it out, so be careful. I'd rather add too little than too much. So you're going to mix that until it's well combined. And you kind of see it thickening, but it's not like thickening after you add the activator. So now, here comes the part that's going to make the slime. You are going to add the contact lens solution, which will start making the slime. I'm going to open up this. You're going to put a little bit at a time, so that should be enough for now. And you can add more as you go. So just right now, you can see that the slime is thickening. But we will need more activator because it is still pretty sticky. Like, that's pretty sticky and marshmallowy. So we're going to add some more contact lens solution. We're going to mix that up. And when it's coming on the sides of the bowl like that, that means that your slime is almost done. So when that happens, what I do is I put my hands in, because then it will start. And it is like, looks like a sticky mess, and it's never going to be a really good slime. But after you knead it and pull it and stretch it and squeeze it and squash it, it'll turn into a really good slime. So I'm just going to knead this and get some out of the bowl because there's still a lot in there. Got my fork. Well, I'm just going to have to mix the fork in there too. And as you can see, it's still very sticky. I shouldn't have put 2 hands in, but that's okay. I'm just going to have to get the activator super duper slimy. Can I have some help over here? Can someone give me some activator? Okay, so my brother's going to come in and help me with the activator.
Wait, where's the activator?
Contact lens solution. In front of me. Okay. I want you to just put that in my hands, please. This is my big help named Kanan. Good, there you go. That's enough. Thank you. Now put it down. Thank you very much. And this is my little dog, Grady. Yeah, he's a Grady boy, Mr. Grady boy. And see, this is turning into a really good slime. As you can see, it is still sticky, but after you knead it for a while, it will not become sticky. So, this was a really fun activity, and I hope you enjoyed it. And a little tip, if you leave some of the slime in the bowl, it'll dry and then it'll make a sticky mess on your bowl. So be sure if you're going to leave it in there, put some water in there so it doesn't dry out, because that'd be bad. You'd have a big, really big mess. So, thanks for watching. This is what the slime would look like when you're finished, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.